MuggyWeld.com customers have asked, how well does the SSQ6 work on larger, thicker metals compared to the thin metals? So of course, we'd rather show you than tell you how the brazing process works. On thin metals, as shown in other MuggyWeld.com videos, we apply the silver solder paste before we heat the parent metal, as the thin metal can be brought to working temperature more rapidly, thus keeping the flux and metal in the paste from separating. Broadly heating the area around the joint is advised, especially on larger and thicker metals. Preheating the adjacent metal to where you're adding the SSQ6 ensures a better flow and bond to the metal surface. The mild steel tubing is taking too long to reach the brazing or flowing temperature of 1050 Fahrenheit. The flux in the SSQ6 paste is thinning out, and the silver and other metals are balling up and running away from the flux. As you can see, this technique does not work. The steel tubing is now at its working temperature. It's time to add our silver paste by pressing the plunger. Do not heat the steel applicator. Flow out each deposit before adding more product. SSQ6 is typically used for tight-fitting joints, male-female applications, pinholes, and hiding the solder joint altogether. When using the vise, give adequate room between where the metal is clamped and the work area. The vise will act like a heat sink pulling heat away from the joint. Now this technique obviously works, as the metal and flux are working together for a strong joint and a beautiful finish. And yes, this can be brazed with a top quality propane torch, available at MuggyWeld.com. This is the SSQ6 Silver Solder Brazing Paste. If your welding supply says it can't be done, you gotta Muggy Weld it.